Welcome to the ChequeSystem software tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to use the Auto Create Cheque feature in the Recurring Cheque Template. The Auto Create feature in the Recurring Cheque Template allows you to generate checks automatically on a weekly or monthly schedule. To use the Auto Create feature, start by opening your Recurring Cheque Template. You can either edit an existing template or create a new one. In the template window, check the Auto Create box. Next, select the checkbook where the checks will be created. Then, specify the schedule for check creation. You can choose to generate checks either monthly or weekly, and set the exact day of the month or the day of the week for this process. Please note that if you select the 30th or 31st for the monthly schedule, checks will be created on the last day of the month in shorter months, such as February, April, June, September, or November. You also have the option to show notifications when AutoCheck is created. Here's an example of the notification. This alert displays the templates being processed, the processing date, and the corresponding check numbers for the created check. All auto-created checks will be recorded, offering a clear audit trail for future reference. You can review the log by clicking the View Log button. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom to save the settings. The checks will be generated automatically based on the specified schedule. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found the Auto Create feature helpful and that it enhances your check issuing process.